Good day, sir. My name is Tyron Villanueva, and today I will be discussing the purpose of ship routering information. So what is ship routering information? So ship routering information enhances safe and efficient navigation by guiding vessels through designated paths, reducing collisions, and aiding voyage planning. So basically, ship routering information, it enhances safe and efficient navigation sa isa ka ship. Kay ginaguide man niya ug asa ang saktong agianan sa mga ship kay para ma-reduce ang collision risk. And aiding voyage planning. So when we say aiding voyage planning is ginatabangan niya ang isa ka ship kay para maka-prepare sa ihang journey from one place to another. So for example is the traffic separation seam in English Channel. So kani siya is organize niya ang mga ships into a directional lanes para ma-ensure ang safer and more orderly transit sa isa sa pinaka busy nga maritime area sa kalibutan. And that would be all, sir. Thank you.